Welcome to Oxford Heirlooms. In this video, I have my pattern pieces cut out for the sack, the teacup, and the diaper cover. Now, I need to transfer my embroidery design onto the front and the sleeves of the sack, but before I do that, the instructions tell me, according to step 1, I'm to sew the shoulder seam, sew the back to the front at the shoulder seam, and then press the seam open, and then transfer the embroidery design and do the hand embroidery. So let me go to the sewing machine and I will sew the top seams. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have sewn the back of the sack to the 2 front pieces of the sack with a 1/4 inch seam, and I have pressed that seam open. Okay, I have also, while I was off camera, with my blue fabric marking pen, I marked the outer position of the 4 buttonholes, and I also marked the center top of the diaper cover of the front of it. Okay, so let me start with the little sack. Move that diaper cover out of the way. And since I'm kind of at this angle, let's see, I need to center on the little arrow right here. So I'm gonna put this underneath my fabric, line it up with the edge of the fabric, and get the center seam lined up with that little arrow, if I can find it. Okay, all right, and let me trace my embroidery design. Get that lined up. I'm going to use a friction erasable pen to trace this embroidery design. So I've got a little line that will be running stitches, a leaf, a bullion rose, another leaf, another little line, bullion rose, leaf, another little leaf, running stitches, a leaf, a bullion rose, and running stitches. Okay, and then we'll go this direction. Leaf, bullion rose, leaf, running stitches, leaf, bullion rose, leaf, running stitches, leaf, bullion rose, running stitches. Okay, all right, so I've got one sleeve. I've got the design traced onto one sleeve. And I think what I'm going to do, if I stop it right there, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this a little bit. Well, no I won't. Okay, because that'll be underneath the arm. Okay, all right, so let me do the front, one of the front sides. Line up the edge of the fabric. And then start tracing. Okay, this will take me a little bit in order to get all of this traced, so I'll be right back. Okay, so using the friction erasable pen, and what I'll do is I order these, and I will, in the video description, I will put a link down below so that you can order them if you want to, but they're real nice. They make a nice fine line, unlike the blue water-soluble pen, which kind of blurs. And once I embroider on top of it, I can iron it from the back side and the ink will disappear. Okay, so as you can see, I have quite a bit of hand embroidery to do on the sleeves and on the diaper cover. So that's what I'll be doing for the next little bit of time. And then when I come back, we will continue to create the little sack. Thank you.